I think there's a couple of things that are really difficult. I think in any field in forensics, it takes you a while to get comfortable with, truly comfortable with your testing and how to do the reporting on it and how to get the quality assurance and all the things you need to pay attention to do a really good analysis. That's just the nature of doing anything new. That takes time. And with fire debris, I think there's a couple of things that take a little bit of time. One is getting to a positive reportable conclusion. So there's a difference between how do I convey my information on a report and how did I get to that information to begin with. And so if you're looking at one of those ideas of, is it a positive or not? Most of the time I've had that question. I knew exactly if it was going to be positive, what its classification would be. So it's not, is it gasoline or is it an aromatic? It's, do I have enough information here to be able to justify reporting it as a positive result? And so to me, that's one of those things that takes a little bit of time to get comfortable and really get it down to where you know where your cutoff for comfort and non-comfortable is. And then there's the idea of reporting it. So unlike many of the other disciplines, sometimes we have ignitable liquids that are not foreign to a scene. And our job isn't to identify ignitable liquids in general, it's whether or not the ignitable liquid is foreign to the scene. So there are some things that are made with petroleum products. And so it gets, it's usually a lab policy, but then you want to know, like, how do you report that out? So if you had a positive, but you believed it was part of the matrix that you were submitted, and it's not a positive for what you would want somebody to go to jail for, you need to convey to your investigator or whoever is going to be reading this report that, yes, I saw something, but no, it has no actual value in the case. You would need to report that differently than if you had a case where you said, no, nothing in here would give me that profile.